Clinical trials in the Cochrane Library. If I look at some of the other tabs, the only other place I'm seeing results other than under Cochrane Reviews is the Trials tab. This is also known as Central or the Trials Register. The Trials Register is very important because it includes randomized control trials and quasi-randomized control trials. Randomized control trials are one of the higher levels of evidence, so even if there is no Cochrane systematic review that is relevant to your question's outcomes, you might still find some good RCTs in Central. Although some of the same trials are indexed in PubMed and CINAHL, some of the results in the Trials Register are indexed only in Embase, which means there is some unique content you would not otherwise find because WriteState does not have Embase. The Cochrane Library does not contain the full text to the trials, but it will link to the publisher website, which may or may not provide you with the full text access. I'm going to take a look at number 12. The effect of skin-to-skin contact at birth, early versus immediate, on the duration of exclusive human lactancy in full-term newborns. If I read further into this very long title, I see that it is a study protocol for a randomized control trial. That means that it's a study to be conducted rather than final published results for the completed RCT. However, the protocol may still contain some useful background information on the problem, so I want to see if we have access to it anyway. I click on the title link in the trials list. Then I click on the DOI, which takes me to the publisher website and tells me that it's an open access article. So I could actually view the full text here. If I continue looking through this entire article, I will see again that there are no actual published results. Rather, it's talking about the fact that they have registered this trial. And if I scroll all the way to the end, it tells me under trial status that this study is not yet open for participant recruitment. At the time that this article was actually published, there were no results yet to present. The study wasn't even open yet. If the publisher site does not provide full text access, check our library catalog or eJournals list.